to set good examples. So that is all about responsible parenthood. How responsible parenthood is demonstrated by Christians today. We've talked about most of them, yes? How is it demonstrated? It's just the same thing. You provide for the basic what? Basic needs. What are the basic needs? Food, shelter, clothing, yes. And they also provide for spiritual guidance. By you can provide spiritual guidance for example, by in the evening you read the Bible and you explain to your children, yes, this is how this particular scripture means. Also, they provide education. They provide education to their children, and they ensure that they help them to realize their full potential. How do you help your child to realize full potential? If your child has a challenge during the holiday, you can take the child for tuition. You call for a teacher to do what? To assist them. You provide for their skills. You make their skills to be realized. But also, if your child is good in football, we usually have football academies, right? Yes, you take. I know of the chess academy. You take a child for chess. You're improving their skills. Also, teach their children to live in harmony with others. If you're teaching your children to live in harmony, it basically means you teach your children to live in agreement with everybody, to be agreeing. Is there anyone you're not talking to here? That means you're not in harmony. You're not speaking to your fellow boy here because you wanted a particular girl and he went ahead of you and did whatever he did. Or you wanted a particular girl and the girl said no to you but said yes to your friends. You're not living in harmony. You should be in agreement, and that is wrong when you're in school. Because you're not in harmony with the school. The school insists that you should only have brotherly what? Love here in school. All the other things you'll do after here. When you're in the university, we won't care. We continue. They teach children, they provide protection for children or security. Yes, at all situations. This enables their children to deal with situations in life. Providing security is safeguarding them. You ensure that they are safe. The neighborhood that you live in, you ensure that all your children are what? Are safe. You are in the right neighborhood, or you ensure that all the relatives are what? Safe. Especially for a girl child. Most raping nowadays, even for you, sodomy, you're being sodomized because your parents are not safeguarding you. Mostly those ones who are sodomizing their own, they are being sodomized by a relative. You think people are usually raped by people they do not know. You are raped by a very close person. Because you've not safeguarded your children. So you should safeguard them. They teach children how to grow physically. As I told you, they teach their children, or they assist their children in maturing up. How to be mature, to deal with particular aspects of life. And also to teach their children how to grow physically by helping them understand the changes in their body. How I ensure that students have understood their changes in their bodies, I tell you it is normal. It is normal after a girl passes here, you feel the attraction, or you want to look at them and continue looking, it is normal. The feeling that you're feeling, all the men are still feeling them. It is not you, it's only because you're in the youth. All you have to do, that's why we have guidance and counseling. Mr. Kamau keeps on guiding you, telling you, you wait. You don't deal on your what? If we were all reacting on the emotions that we feel, we could be dogs. Dogs don't wait. Yes. Or chicken, they don't. We should be able to, you have the discipline. From there,